Okay, we're testing this jump starter here some more. So this is my new go-to favorite one to use. So this works nice, I like it. So this is the box that comes in. These people here. There's the part numbers there. If you want to go hunting for one. Hope you can read that. So this 6,000 amp thing. It starts the big diesel truck over there. That thing starts really nice with that. It's got a diesel, Cummins diesel motor in it. Old one. This stupid S10 here, it's got a little small V6 in it. It spins this thing over like crazy. So today I've run that thing about 3 jumps on that one, I think. This thing I've jumped probably 5 times already with this box, and it still says 100% charge. So yeah, still 100%, I don't know why. So when I first used it, it was 100%, it dropped to 75 after I started the truck, but this time it's going to hold up better. I charged it up with the charger thing. Let's see, where's the one bolt is it? It's a nice carrying case. Go to the back of your vehicle, let it bounce around, it'll protect it. So I use a charger here, this one here. Yeah, get that thing out of my way. This plug-in one. So it just has a little small plug-in hole on the side over here. So they charge up pretty quickly. I came back in about an hour and it was already fully charged. So okay, charge up quickly. I've charged up some of these other ones before. It takes forever to charge. So this one must have some decent amount of charging going into it. So this is a jump starter, high output, and it's got a tire inflator here in the back side, which goes up to 150 pounds every fall. Maybe only 125, quite a bit. So what I like about this is it's got really nice clamps, nice heavy duty clamps. They grab a hold of the post and they're really nice, which is good. And this one has bolts in it under this one. It grabs onto those real nicely. You don't have to push any button to start it, just hook the damn thing up. It lights up the dash lights, everything's lit up, and hit the button, it starts. Boom. No hesitation, no screwing around. So anyway, it works really, really good. I'm happy with it. These cables are kind of cheap, but they get hot, but they put out the amps though, so that's all that matters. But they do get hot. Yeah. So all through here, the positive one gets hot, the negative doesn't really get hot, but this one does. So nothing super hot, but it does warm up. So, all right, I'm gonna go out and start my other SUV. So we're gonna another battery test on this thing. I have not charged it, so we'll be right back.